Hi, I'm Mickey Keenan, your personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida. We help accident victims get the money they deserve so they can get back to living. So you were sitting in your car on your way home from work and bam, you got rear-ended. You did the right thing. You called Mickey Keenan PA and we got the process rolling. We got you in a rental car, your vehicle's being fixed. You're about 2 weeks into your treatment and you start thinking, how long is all this going to take? When can I close out my case? Well, it depends. Depends on a number of different factors. And today we're going to break down the 3 different types of cases and how long each of them take. First one is the one that you hope you really have, the simple case. This one usually takes between 3 and 6 months. You're not hurt too bad. You're making a great recovery. About 3 months in, your doctor says you've reached MMI, or maximum medical improvement. You've gotten about as good as you're going to get. These cases, we get a demand out pretty quickly, and they usually settle within 60 days of making that demand. This is the one you hope you get. Second type of case is a more significant injury case. These ones usually take between 6 and 12 months. Why do they take between 6 and 12 months? Because you're hurt and you're not getting better. We need to find out what your future looks like. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to recover. Sometimes we never recover. And we need the doctor's opinion to determine what you're looking like for the rest of your life. So we're going to wait until that doctor makes a final determination as to what your injuries are and what your future medicals are. This can take 6, 7, 8, 9 months. Whatever it needs, that's what we'll wait for. And once we get that, we'll make a demand, and then we'll fight the insurance company for as long as we need to in order to get you the right settlement. The third type of case is the litigation case. Now, the litigation case can come from either the simple case or the significant injury case. It really just matters what the insurance company does. If the insurance company is unreasonable with their offers and not fairly compensating you, then you get to decide whether or not you want to file a lawsuit. If we file a lawsuit, it typically adds another 9 months to up to 2 years to your case, but it's what's necessary in order to get you the fair and reasonable compensation. We're willing to fight you all the way to a jury trial if that's what's needed in order to make the insurance company do the right thing. So how long will it take? Well, it depends. It depends on your specific facts and circumstances. We're here to fight for you to make sure that you get the money that you deserve so that you can get back to living, because life doesn't stop just because you were in an accident. So give us a call and we'll get this figured out.